Welcome to the first shloka of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This marks the beginning of our journey through one of the most profound conversations ever, a dialogue between Lord Krishna and the warrior Arjuna. As Arjuna faces a deep moral crisis, Krishna guides him towards clarity and purpose. Let's dive into the very first verse of Gita, where King Dhritarashtra, the blind king, speaks to his charioteer Sanjaya. In this verse, Dhritarashtra asks, O Sanjaya, assembled in the holy land of Kurukshetra, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? What actions did they take? Now, this isn't just a casual question from Dhritarashtra. There's a lot more beneath the surface. Let's talk about the deeper meaning. Dhritarashtra is blind, not just physically, but also morally. His overwhelming attachment to his sons, the Kauravas, blinds him to the righteousness or dharma that should be guiding his decisions. He's so focused on his son's ambitions that he ignores the path of justice. And where does it lead? The Kurukshetra war, a tragedy that could have been avoided. It's a powerful reminder of how blind attachment can cloud our judgment and lead to a disastrous outcomes. Now let's talk about the idea of dharma, the very essence of what the battlefield of Kurukshetra represents. The war wasn't just a physical battle, but a battle of truth, justice, and morality. It's the same in our lives. We constantly face choices, and it's crucial that we detach from bias and view the situation with a clear mind through the lens of dharma. Dhritarashtra blindness is symbolic of the chaos that results from losing that clarity. His inability to see clearly, both literally and figuratively, teaches us the importance of striving for a higher perspective, one that's grounded in the truth and righteousness. Dhritarashtra questions Sanjaya, which reveals more than just curiosity. It's rooted in fear and insecurity. He knows deep down that his sons may not be the one who are on the right path, and that scares him. But here's the thing, when we stray from dharma, when we lose alignment with what is right, fear and insecurity creep into our minds. This verse teaches us that living in harmony with dharma brings us peace. When we make choices aligned with our core values and righteousness, there is no room for fear, only confidence and clarity. The power of perspective. Let's now talk about Sanjaya, Dhritarashtra's charioteer. He plays a crucial role in the Gita because he is the one narrating the event of the Kurukshetra war. Sanjaya's special power isn't just his ability to see what's happening on the battlefield, it's his ability to do so with complete detachment. Unlike Dhritarashtra, who is emotionally invested in his son's fate, Sanjaya sees everything clearly. His perspective is unbiased, and that allows him to narrate the event with clarity. This reminds us of the value of stepping back and viewing situation from a higher perspective, free from emotional turmoils. When we detach, we can see the truth more clearly and make better decisions. So, what have we learned from this very first sloka of the Bhagavad Gita? Even in its simplicity, this verse reveals the profound truth about human nature. Dhritarashtra's blind attachment highlights how emotional bond can sometimes cloud our judgment. We have also learned about the importance of clarity and detachment. As we move forward into Gita, these lessons will be central, finding balance, cultivating clear vision, and letting go of our biases. Let's allow the wisdom of Gita to guide us toward a life that's rooted in righteousness, peace, and fulfillment. Stay tuned because we have just scratched the surface. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this content valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with those who might benefit from these insights, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more episodes where we'll continue to uncover the life lessons hidden within the Bhagavad Gita. See you in the next video.